What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to do Siacoin. It's been requested. Now, I'm not going to do many of your requests. Most of them I don't do. I just do the ones with coins I've already covered or that I actually want to cover. Now, most of the charts are looking very, very similar, so we can see it with Sia as well. So we're sitting up 4% on the day, and on the 7-day, we're sitting down 12%, sitting at a market cap of 834 million and 24-hour volume 44 million. Sia is a big sleeper pick, in my opinion. Reached 10 cents in the last bull run. Where the hell is my water? And I think that it has huge, massive potential with the online storage, and I think it's yet to blow up. It's just my opinion, guys. It's not financial advice. So we're here on the weekly, guys, and on our bull run, C has had about a 2,000-ish% gain, and I think it's got way more in the tank. I think it will 10x. Quite possibly much more. We had a steep correction, about 86%. We found support here on the 55 EMA, as you can see here. And I wanted to show it to you guys on the daily, but I'll quickly give you guys some. What the hell's mosquito? There's a mosquito on my arm. I'll give you guys some future price targets here. If this is our true bottom. Oh man, I gotta get the mosquito out of here. It's gonna trip me out. So we have some price targets up here at 10 cents if we reach the 1.272, and then if we reach the 1.414, that's 14 cents, guys. And the 1.61H, which I think we're gonna reach here with Siacoin easily on this bull run. If we see Bitcoin go to 150k, 200k, I think we'll go to 20 cents and much more, guys. Currently we're sitting at 1 cent, so that would be an appreciation of about 1,000% here. I think we're going to do much more, in my opinion. I wanted to show it to you guys here on the daily to show you guys the RSI. So this is the relative strength index down here. Anything over 30, wow, Jax, really? Oh, mamacita. So this is the RSI, guys. Anything under 30, under this line here, is oversold, and anything above 70 is overbought. So when you start to get above 70, you're overextended, you're gonna roll over. Now we've bounced right off 30. So that's giving me an indication that we're going to start trending back upwards. It's not a fact, guys, it's just an indicator. See here, we bounced off 30, we broke below, we bounced, and we've seen that bounce here. So what we want to see is we start trending back upwards, and the RSI trends back upwards as well, of course, where we start to see it go like this. All right, guys, so we're going to jump into Siacoin on the 4-hour chart. Actually, there was one more thing I wanted to pull up here on the daily. So we have a beautiful trend line here on the daily chart, starting from about the beginning of our bull run, that has yet to be broken. As you can see here, support and support once again in this area. So I'm going to pop it over to the 4-hour chart. There's that trend line. It is going through the candles a little bit here, but nothing to worry about. And we have this ascending triangle like we've seen with many charts. So we're above the 20 EMA, which is a good sign, and we want to see that breakout to the upside. I think it's more plausible due to the fact of the other indicators, and we're starting to see the similar patterns with many of these charts. We have A, we have B, we have C, we have D, and we have E, and then you have your breakout. Either that, guys, or you hit resistance and you fall out of it. It's another possibility. It's a little bit more unlikely, in my opinion, due to the overall market and the other indicators, but I will give you your lines of support. If we fall out, we have this line of support right here. Man, the mosquito is still in here. Right here at about 0.015. You can see here support in this area, and then we have some support down here as well, about 0.014. If the bullish scenario doesn't take place, but I think it's more probable, in my opinion, and that's what we all want to see, and we want to get started again on this bull run. We have to break this crucial level here of resistance to show that we're good to go at about 0.02 cents here. You can see resistance, support in this level. It's crucial, guys, that we start to break above the EMAs. Let's put it here onto the hourly. So we're here on the hourly chart. Man, when like there's a mosquito and you can feel him crawling on you, even if he's not crawling on you, you start to go crazy. That's me right now. So we're here on the 1 hour, and you can see we've had the bullish cross of the 20 over the 50, and hopefully we continue to hold the EMAs as support, and we start to break upwards. Now guys, if we do start to roll over and we start to lose this support line, that will give you the signal, right? If we come under and we start to hit it as resistance, that will give you the signal. So what you want to see is we start to break out to the upside here. We start to create higher lows, turn that back into support, and give us the confirmation of that breakout, which we're waiting for in the market. All right, guys. So I'm going to put it back onto the daily chart just to give you guys some lines of support and resistance based off the fib extension. All right, guys. Whoa. So we're gonna come over here, and I'm gonna take out my Fibonacci. It's a bit messy, so I'm gonna open it up. Oh man, I can feel the mosquito. He's crawling on my skin. So we're gonna take it up here from our swing high down to our swing low. So guys, it would be crucial for us to get back above the 0.5, of course, where these wicks came up to, or sorry guys, the 0.382, and then you can see there's some support and resistance here at the 0.5 on the fib. I'm actually gonna, my fib's not pulled down quite far enough right here. Oh, right here about 0.027 guys, and then we would start to get back above the EMAs, and that would give us confirmation that we're good to go. We get back above the golden ratio here at about 0.032, and then we start to reverse. All right guys, we're seeing this with a lot of the coins. I'm sure you're seeing it with the other technical analysis channels where they're showing you guys all these reversal patterns, because if we broke down, like let's say we break out of our bearish pennant here, here's your flagpole. If we were to break down out of this, I mean, it would send, okay, this is, just give me a sec guys, just gonna draw it one more time. I mean, it would send Siacoin so far down that it doesn't really make sense in my opinion. Sorry guys, my apologies. If we broke down from here, it would send Sia down to 0.002. Like we would just erase everything. We'd be right down to where we started, and I just don't see that happening. I mean, it would be the end of the bull run, and there's too many signs that are showing that the bull run is going to continue. But it's just my opinion, guys. It's not financial advice. I'm just a young guy from Canada. And then we have these future price targets at 10 cents and 20 cents, which I think is very plausible here on this bull run for Siacoin. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. It's getting a little bit bright in here. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can join the Discord. Patreon link in the bio. Over 1,000 members. Check it out. Great way to support the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love.